Isha.
Hi.
Today what we are going to do?
Artwork.
Sand art.
Sand art.
So for sand art what you have taken?
Sand. Green color sand, pink color sand, blue pencil eraser and crayons.
Oil pastels crayons. Okay, what you are going to draw?
Woodpecker.
Oh, woodpecker with a tree.
With a tree.
Wow, shall we start that?
Yes.
So first you have drawn a tree.
Yes.
Okay.
And the leaves.
Oh, leaves are falling down.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now we are going to color this.
Yes.
Okay, we will see after the coloring.
Okay.
Wow. Complete it. So you're doing the green color. Okay, nice. So you have put a gum or
Gum and a green.
okay, green sand you're putting on it to stick. Nice. No. Leave it. Wow, woodpecker is ready, Leisha. Did you finish it off? Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye bye.